Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. A garden is the best place in the house according to me, as it is the only place where a person can get relief from a busy life. Moreover, having a garden in the house welcome many health benefits. For instance, a garden has many plants that give oxygen. In the other hand, furthermore, the smell of the flower can refresh a person's mind in the morning. However, in the era, people are not able to build a garden because of the lack of space, and also some think that it is a waste of space, so the gardens are no more present in the house. On the other hand, garden in the house are necessary. In order to lead a peaceful life, a garden plays a major role. My garden contains different type of plant. For instance, it has different flowers such as roses, sunflowers, lilies, daisies. These flowers are the easiest to grow and flourish the environment with their beautiful smell. Moreover, the colors of these flowers make a garden look beautiful. Further, my garden has different vegetables growing in them. For example, vegetables like tomato, carrot, sweet potato, cauliflower, bell pepper, etc. These are the easiest to grow apart from this. They have various health benefits, and furthermore, this ensure that the vegetables are fresh and free from my chemical from any chemical. The garden has gas grass all over the area. As a result, this make it the best place for any exercise. Furthermore, it has a soft ground where children can play different sports. This ensure that they do not hurt even if they fall down while and mm, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Subscribe.